Daily Dispatch, Day 13, The Return on the Scaffold. The first sign arrived last night in the quiet of the shower. The generative clarity was gone, replaced by a blank static, the predicted fog. By day 13, it had manifested as a stuck worry loop, a single thought gaining RPMs in the haze. The forecast was correct, the protocol was ready. The action was not to fight the thought, but to change the environment. The AI scaffold was deployed, the mundane admin, the ferocious logging with Prism, my data analytics and strategic partner thread. The systematic review of tasks, its purpose in this moment was redefined. It was not a tool to find an answer, it was a tool to hold the noise down so that an answer, if it existed, could be heard. The result was not a feeling of victory, but a tangible outcome. A problem worked on for weeks found its path not through forced brainstorming, but through engineered clarity. This is the return on the scaffold. Its value is not measured in the absence of storms, but in the functionality it preserves within them. It doesn't make you smarter. It creates the conditions where the intelligence you already have can operate. The worry loop was the weather. The scaffold was the sheltered workspace. The solution was the work produced there. The forecast was correct. The protocol was sound. The quiet, it turns out, is a place where things get done.